All right, and this week warm-up keeps on going. 72 degrees today, 4 degrees warmer for us here in Flagstaff than where we were yesterday, and a whole 8 degrees warmer than we were just to start off the week on Monday. Average for this time of year is 66 degrees, and that's just a reference point, so we can call it warm for this time of year. Of course, very rarely are we at that average number like 66 for this day. Sometimes it's 76, sometimes it's 56. It's just an average over many, many years. So today we call it warm. It's just a good reference point. Record high 83 degrees set back in 1947. A little bit warm overnight last night as well. A whole 10 degrees warmer than the previous night at 39 degrees for an early morning low out at Pulliam Airport. All right, a lot of warming up across the region. Page was a whole 14 degrees warmer today, mixing out some of the cool air. It was 84 in Page today, 76 at the Grand Canyon, 86 for you in Prescott, 85 down in Payson, 99 degrees down in Phoenix today. All right, so the warm-up keeps on going, and the wind just keeps on keeping on as well. Here's a look at what's happening across the nation. Really, we got this like kind of active storm track moving through the Intermountain West, well to the north of us here in Arizona. Hence, we still got the warm temperatures. Quiet throughout much of the plains, but this is this cold front. Remember earlier in the week we were talking about the cold front in the Rockies, and yesterday it was marching through the plains, kicking off some thunderstorms now in the southern and mid-Mississippi River Valley, and out east quite quiet as well. There is a little cold front marching through, but temperatures have been very warm up and down the Atlantic seaboard. What we can't see on here, well, we can see some showers and thunderstorms, a little disturbance in Florida, but there is another tropical storm system. It's right now a tropical depression, a tropical disturbance, I should say, way down in the Yucatan Peninsula right now. Tropical Depression 16, forecast to make its way into the Gulf of Mexico over the next 36 hours or so and be a full-blown hurricane headed towards the Florida Panhandle by late in the weekend. And I'm sure you'll be hearing much more on that. All right, well, that little area of low pressure up there in the northern Rockies, well, that's also pulling in a little moisture out of Mexico, and it's just skirting eastern Arizona, trying to kick off a few showers and thunderstorms, mainly across the White Mountain region. And this will continue again tomorrow. Very similar weather, breezy and warm for much of the state, with a few showers and thunderstorms hanging around our far eastern border. Okay, right now outside 66 degrees, clear skies, winds out southwest at 9 miles per hour. Clear skies, great night to have a look at the full harvest moon, one of my favorite full moons, and it's actually tomorrow at 11:40 local time when it's full. So we actually have an almost full illumination tonight and again tomorrow night. So we have kind of 2 nights of the harvest moon out there. It can occur all the way from September 8th till October 7th. So we're kind of late here with our harvest moon. Of course, the harvest moon is the full moon that's closest to the autumnal equinox, even if it falls back in September or sometimes it falls in October. Obviously named because it helped the early farmers do their harvest here this time of year. And why does the rising full moon appear so large when it's on the horizon? Well, there's a big mystery along that one, and I watched a great video out there, and the most recent theories are convergence, micropsia. And there's a great video, even to show the kids, on YouTube called The Moon Illusion by Hoovel. I highly suggest watching it. Animation and about 4 minutes long, and it really has a lot to talk about. 41 degrees overnight tonight. The moon rise at 6:27. Tomorrow, another warm, breezy day. Forecasting 74, so the warm-up keep on going for us here. And it looks like this is just going to continue for us into the weekend ahead. Here's a look at the numbers tomorrow. Sedona 89, Prescott 84, 99 once again down in Phoenix, Payson 86 degrees. Here's a look at the extended forecast. Lots of sunshine in there. Very mild here for us for early October. Temperatures hovering in the 70s all the way through. A great weekend to get outside. We're not going to get rid of this breeze. It's just going to keep on, like I've been saying, each day all the way through the forecast, possibly even picking up early next week.
What was the name of that film? Micropsia? What is it?
No, that's the theory about why the moon appears so large when it's on the horizon.
Okay.
And I can't remember the complicated name. Now there's several theories. You know, one is because it's in reference to the Earth's horizon and trees and fences. But once again, like if you put your thumb out to the moon on the horizon, your thumbnail will cover it, even though it looks huge. But when you put it up high in the sky, your thumbnail will cover it the same way, even though it looks smaller.
Lee Born,
But it's more complicated than that.
you're full of knowledge, my man.
Well, it's more complicated than that.
Appreciate that. All right.